Here's a tour of the rooms on the Carnival Liberty, and we're going to start with the smallest to the largest. So we're just going to hop right in, starting with the smallest rooms on the ship. Your regular standard interior, 9219, with 185 square feet. As you can see, this is your basic cabin, no windows, no balcony. It's beds in the king size variation. You could split into two different beds, two twin size beds if you so wish. Then you have a brief view of the bathroom. This is the standard size of the bathrooms. Headed to the next interior room, room 7335, 185 square feet, so the same square footage. This is an ambulatory cabin. So this is a needs-based cabin. If someone is in a wheelchair, this is going to be your type of cabin. As you can see, the bathroom is a lot more spacious, a lot easier to get around. And you may notice this one's actually in a 2 twin bed configuration. And it's a lot easier to get around in those rooms. 7203 is also an interior room, still the same square footage, but this one has a window. So this is a interior room with a window, not a ocean view. If it's an ocean view room, this will oversee the ocean, but this oversees the walkway, so that's how you know. You may see the bathroom is the same as the standard bathroom. Next room, 7206. It's also interior room. The last interior we're gonna go on. Again, as you can see, not view the ocean. It's of the walkway outside. Also an ambulatory cabin. So this is, again, showing how easy it is for those to get around with that special need. In order to get one of those rooms, you have to show proof. Next cabin, 7373. This is a balcony room, 185 square feet inside and 35 square feet on the balcony here. I want to show you the inside of this room because this is actually a 4-person room. You have the 2 twin beds, but as you turn around, upper configuration as well as a sofa bed. So that's how that looks like. Some of these may vary slightly in the actual configuration. On to our next balcony room, same square footage, 185 on the inside, 35 on the balcony, for a total of 225. And this configuration has no upper, it's just a sofa bed, which is in the sofa configuration at the moment, versus the other room, it was already in bed configuration. And now we'll take a brief look at the balcony. Unfortunately, I'm at port at the moment, so no beautiful ocean views, but normally you would get an ocean view that's gorgeous here once you're at sea. The balcony is enough for 2 people to comfortably sit out there. Any more wouldn't have to stand because that's all the chairs they have out there. Bathroom is the same size as the interior, standard size one. If you look across, you see a glimpse of what the laundromat is right across the hall. That door is to the laundry service, so if you want to do your own laundry, there it is. Comes in handy for long cruises. Next room, 9205, the junior suite with 275 square feet on the inside, 50 on the balcony for a total of 325 feet. As you can see, there's a little more walkway to the bathroom here. It does come with a jetted tub, an additional spot for your makeup as well. Overall, a lot more space. As you can see, this configuration is also a 2 twin bed, currently in the king size configuration, as well as a sofa bed. And come out to the balcony here. I have to unlock it real quick. As you can see, it's a little more spacious. The next cabin is the biggest one on the ship, 9199, and 9200 is the same size as well, the captain suite, with 500 square feet on the inside and 150 square feet on the balcony for a total of 650 square feet. And look at this couch, humongous. You have plenty of room. And that view of the ocean out the front, I mean, you don't get that with most cabins. Not only do you have a ocean view through the window right there, but also in this minute, you're going to see me go out to the balcony. There's going to be tons of room on the balcony as well. Turning around real quick to the other bathroom, you have a little more space on this side. So you have 2 of them, as well as a jetted tub. So enjoy your whirlpool bath right there. You're going to enjoy it. In addition to one room having all that space, the huge couch and ocean view, you have a bedroom with the 2 twins configured to be the king size right now, a view of your balcony right here to the ocean, and hop out on the balcony. This is gonna be a lot more space. 150 square feet. You got the front of the ship, so maybe a little windier than some of the other balconies. That's why you have that windscreen right there. And plenty of tables and chairs. You might be wondering why I'm just standing still. It's because you're behind the scenes with me. This is what happens in reality of a ship tour. And sometimes you can see a lot of other travel agents trying to see the same room that you are. Sometimes it gets a little crowded and it gets difficult to get that perfect shot. All right, that's all the rooms. If you want to see the entire ship, be sure to check out my ship tour video. See y'all there.